It's like once in a lifetime trip. We in Jengju, South Korea, but the only thing is though, we stand at an Airbnb. And it's difficult to get the food. This is my senorita sister Lorena. Talk to the people.
Hola, ¿acá desde dónde? ¿Cómo se llama? Jengju.
Jengju. And then what are you doing?
Jengju, muy bonito. Unas papas guisadas y un espagueti.
She says she's cooking.
Rostizado.
She's cooking potatoes and spaghetti. And the spaghetti. Papas is potatoes. And this is the boss man right here. They call him Big Daddy.
Hola. Vénganse a comer. Ya va a estar.
The comer is the food, and for the people that speak Spanish out there, look.
Comer is to eat.
Oh, can you to eat? Oh, that's my interpreter right there. Little mama just walking around giving orders right now. Hey, man. Sometimes, you know, when you be in these different countries, you don't know what the hell the food is. We just seen some stuff today. I said, man, I don't care if the steak costs $50. We want the steak. And so this is what we're eating. And this is a once in a lifetime. And then my senorita's sister and my brother-in-law are master chefs. That's what they do for a living. They cook. And my senorita right here.
Do you want some potatoes?
Oh, you see that? Do you want some potatoes? Like she cooked them. No, she ain't cooked nothing. This the cook right here.
Bien rico todo. Nos quedó para chuparse los dedos.
Bien rico todo. She says everything is
Para chuparse los dedos.
everything is good.
Muy rico. Y hasta.
Oye, la señora Sara te dando.
She like it more delicioso. And my senorita's just talking about this right here. You guys see this thing right here? She says, I want one of them right there. Well, you know, okay. She wanted that.
Have it.
Oh yeah. I said, but who's gonna do the cooking? My sister? My sister? Oh no, she's cooking right now. She's giving me that look like, baby, you know you gotta get in that bed later on tonight.
Está muy bonito el departamento y amplio.
She liked the apartment.
Muy bien.
Oh, then so I'm just gonna take a little picture for you guys real fast. This is what an Airbnb looks like. Oh my God, it's so big. Y'all just hanging there with me, baby. You know, just right here, you on the Doug Best Show. I'm showing you what this thing look like all over the world. It's a big old place, and look what the bathroom look like. See if I can turn the lights on. You step down into the shower or the bathtub or whatever you want. You can make it a bathtub or you can make it a shower. Or, you know, you could go stay in a 5-star hotel, which I don't like. Because, man, I'm going to keep it like 100. 5-star hotels, and they see black people, I mean, they might be accommodating because they know you got to have a bunch of money to be in there, and maybe they not. But in the Airbnb, no, we didn't make the bed. This one bedroom, then we come over here. Look how big this bedroom is, this living room is. It's a big old place, guys. And then just guys stay with me. I'm gonna go real fast so it don't get that long. Then over here, then we come over here. This is another bedroom. Another bedroom. Hell, I don't know how to open the door. You can't open the door, huh? That's good though. We don't have to open the door right there, but this is what it look like. I'm finna sit down and eat. Coca-Cola's all over the world. Oh, okay. This is what it looks like. And me, personally, I like a little smaller shower. I don't like those big showers. I like the smaller shower, but man, my senorita, she wants the big room. I don't know why. Doug Best, we in Jengju, South Korea. We finna eat dinner for Airbnb. And this is what the dinner looks like. Actually, it's lunch. And little mama over there.
They have a little place. It's just to
Let them see that little fork real fast.
maintain the weight.
Maintain the weight.
Yes.
This is what a fork looks like over here.
Because they use this. Sorry.
Yeah, over here they use like some kind of metal chopsticks, and look how little that fork is. Okay, guys, I'm Doug Best on the Doug Best Show in Jengju, South Korea. Oh, it's like you right here with me, baby. Oprah's not gonna do this for you, man. CNN's not gonna do this, but you right here with me. And everybody in Fresno, California, booyah, y'all just share and enjoy. Thanks.